In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find starred elements in Canva. If you've ever found a graphic, sticker, or icon you love and then lost track of it later, starring it is the easiest way to save it for quick access. Here's how to mark an element and then find all your saved items whenever you need them. With a design open, or while you're browsing the Elements tab, move your cursor over the element you want to keep. Hovering reveals extra controls on the element's thumbnail, so pause for a moment until you see more options appear. Next, select the three dots that show up on that element's tile. This opens a small menu with additional actions specifically for that item. It's a quick way to get to tools that aren't visible by default. In that menu, click the star icon. When it lights up, the element is added to your personal starred collection. Think of this like bookmarking. You're not copying the element into your design yet. You're simply saving a shortcut to it so you can reuse it later without searching again. When you're ready to see everything you've saved, go to your Projects area. From the Canva homepage or the editor, move your cursor to the Projects section so its options become visible. Hovering here helps surface the views you can open without leaving your current flow. Choose the starred view. This filters your Projects area to show all the items you've marked with a star, gathered in one convenient place. It's a curated shelf of your go-to elements, perfect for building consistent designs and speeding up your workflow. You'll now see your starred elements displayed together. From here, your saved elements are organized in one place and ready for reuse in future designs. Because these are saved references, they sync to your account, so you can access them on any device you use with Canva. A couple of helpful notes as you use this: starring is non-destructive, so you can adjust your collection over time as your style evolves. If a star doesn't appear right away, give the page a second to refresh after you click it. And remember, starring complements folders and brand kits, giving you a fast, lightweight way to keep frequently used graphics close at hand without over-organizing. That's all there is to it. Hover, open the menu, hit the star, then head to your projects, and open Starred to view everything you've saved. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.